Okay, now that we have everything installed, we can begin by programming our first program. And we're going to do that by creating a Hello World program, the first type of program most programmers do. Now up here you'll probably see no SDK. And to fix that, we'll go to New, C. Now this will be if you installed it in the default path. Go to Program Files, Java, and then click on JDK 1.0.2. Hit OK. Now we're going to hit Next. Just leave it blank. Next. Then type in Hello World. That's going to be the name of our project. Finish. I just had to put over one I've already created. We're going to create a new Java class, which if your project folder is not open, you can click on it right here. You go down to SRC. We're going to make a new Java class. Type it Hello Class. So essentially what you need to know about classes for now is classes are what initialize objects, because Java is an object-based programming language. But you don't need to know much about that for now. All you need to know is how to start a main method. So to do that in Java, you do public static void main string args, open close bracket. And you do open bracket and you make a line. Now what we're going to do in this program is we're going to simply print out the word hello. We're going to print out the phrase hello world. So to do that, we go system.out.print, and then we open parentheses hello world in double quotes, and you can end the statement by putting a semicolon. Now first we have to build the program. We can go over here, go to source, and then right click on the class and then hit run. Now it says hello world. Very simple program, and a little bit more advanced into printing text on the screen. You can also do println, which creates a line underneath it. So see how this goes straight to the next line is process finished. Now we run it again. It creates a little line right here. So if we were to do another system.out.println, and then we go goodbye, end the statement with a semicolon, run again. It'll be on the second line, and there'll be room for another line. Now if you just want to print it on a single line and just go straight across, you do system.out.print, and then I should do the number 1 and the comment, and then run it again. Now on the next line, there's a 1. Now if we were to do it one more time, if we were to print the number 2, it should print out hello world goodbye, and then what will look like 12, because it does not go down the next line, as you can see here. But again, if you change this to ln, it'll be on a separate line. You can try this out more for yourself, just testing these statements. You can put them around whichever way you want. Just try to get a feel for how it works. That's all you need to know for print statements. Thank you for watching.